Imagine this for a moment. You're trying to read your Bible at night, or maybe you're scrolling through your phone to look at pictures of your grandchildren, but the words look blurry. The screen feels too bright, and your eyes feel heavy and tired. Many seniors think this is just part of getting old. But here's the truth: what you eat before bed can actually decide how your eyes heal overnight. Today, I'll show you four powerful bedtime snacks that science says can restore clear vision naturally while you sleep. These are not fancy supplements or expensive treatments, just simple foods you can find in your kitchen or local markets. Before we do that, please take a few seconds to like the video, subscribe to Green channel and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified anytime there is a new upload on the channel. Almonds. Let's start with a simple nut you may already love: almonds. Almonds are one of the best bedtime snacks for your eyes because they are rich in vitamin E. Think of vitamin E as your eye's personal bodyguard. As we age, our eyes suffer damage from stress, pollution, sunlight, and even blue light from phones and TV screens. Vitamin E protects your delicate eye tissues from this damage. For seniors, vitamin E has been shown to slow down age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of blindness after 60. And here's the secret: when you eat almonds before bed, your body uses your sleep hours to absorb this vitamin deeply, repairing eye tissues while you rest. How to eat them? Just soak 6 to 8 almonds overnight and eat them before bed. Soaking makes them softer, easier to chew, and easier to digest. If you prefer, lightly roasted almonds also work. Every almond is like a little capsule of protection for your eyes. Blueberries. Next, let's talk about a tiny fruit with a powerful punch: blueberries. If almonds are your eyes' bodyguards, blueberries are like their energy boosters. Blueberries are packed with something called anthocyanins. These are natural pigments that give blueberries their deep blue color, and they directly improve blood circulation to your retina. Better circulation means your eyes get more oxygen and nutrients while you sleep. This is especially important for seniors because poor blood flow can make your eyes feel weak and blurry. Blueberries also help with night vision. If you've noticed it's harder to see when driving at night or adjusting to darkness, blueberries can help strengthen your eyes' ability to adapt. Here's a snack idea: a small bowl of fresh or frozen blueberries before bed. Frozen ones are just as powerful, and they taste sweet enough to replace desserts. Pumpkin seeds. Now, this one surprises most people: pumpkin seeds. They may look small, but they are loaded with zinc. Zinc is like a delivery driver for your eyes. It carries vitamin A from your liver to your retina, which your eyes need to produce melanin, the protective pigment that shields them from damage. Without enough zinc, seniors can experience night blindness, cataract, and even early signs of macular degeneration. Sadly, zinc deficiency is very common in older adults because our bodies absorb less of it with age. Eating a handful of pumpkin seeds before bed gives your eye the zinc they need for overnight repair. Lightly roasted pumpkin seeds, sometimes called pepitas, are perfect. You can sprinkle them on yogurt or just eat a small handful as a snack. 4. Kiwi. And finally, let's talk about a fruit that is sweet, refreshing, and deeply healing: kiwi. Kiwi is packed with vitamin C, along with lutein and zeaxanthin, the same protective pigments found in leafy greens. Vitamin C reduces oxidative stress in your eyes, while lutein and zeaxanthin protect your retina from harmful light and age-related damage. But here is something special. Kiwi also supports collagen production. Collagen keeps your cornea and retinal tissue strong and flexible. Without enough collagen, your eyes can become dry, strained, and even more prone to damage. And here is a bonus. Kiwi contains natural compounds that help you sleep better. When your sleep improves, your eyes finally get the full chance to heal and refresh overnight. Snack idea. Eat 1 to 2 peeled kiwis before bed. You can slice them into a small fruit bowl or just scoop with a spoon. It's light, sweet, and healing. Now, let's pause for a moment and reflect. Seniors, your eyesight doesn't have to fade away as the years go by. You don't need to wake up with dry, tired eyes every morning. By choosing the right foods before bed, you can give your body the nutrients it needs to repair your vision naturally overnight. So tonight, instead of reaching for biscuits, pastries, or sugary snacks, choose one of these. Almonds for protection, blueberries for circulation, pumpkin seeds for strength, kiwi for healing and better sleep. These are not just snacks, they are medicine for your eyes. If you found this video helpful, please like the video. Share it with a friend or family member who might be struggling with their eyesight. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips that keep you strong and youthful at every age. Thank you for watching to the very end. I appreciate the time taken. Also, remember that green health cares. I'll see you in the next one.